In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline text in Google Slides. Whether you're aiming to enhance your presentation or make your text stand out, outlining text is a simple yet effective technique. So let's dive in and learn how to do this together, step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Slides. Open your web browser and type in the Google Slides URL, or simply search for it in your search engine. Once you're there, if you haven't already, you'll need to sign into your Google account. You'll find the sign in option usually at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and you'll be ready to go. With your Google account accessed, you're now at the Google Slides home screen. Here you have a couple of options. You can start a new presentation either by choosing a blank presentation or selecting from a variety of templates that best suits the style of your presentation. For simplicity, let's click on blank presentation. This will open up a fresh slide deck where we can practice our text outlining skills. Now within your new presentation, it's time to add some text. Click on the text box icon located in the toolbar, then click anywhere on your slide to draw your text box. Type in the text you wish to outline. You might choose something simple like welcome or title here to see how the outlining effect improves its appearance. Once you have your text in place, the real magic begins. To outline your text, you'll want to click on format options. If you don't see this option right away, click on any text within your text box to ensure the toolbar above reflects text-specific tools. In the format options panel that appears on the right side, you'll find the text effects section. Here you have a variety of styling options to choose from. The next step involves adding a text shadow, which creates the illusion of an outline. Find the text shadow section within the text effects options and toggle it on. You may notice an immediate change as a shadow appears behind your text, subtly lifting it off the page. You can further customize your shadow by adjusting properties like color, transparency, angle, distance, and blur radius. This allows you to fine-tune the shadow to precisely how you envision it. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to outline text in Google Slides. Experiment with these options to find the perfect style for your presentation. With practice, outlining can give your presentations that extra professional polish. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.